Okay, Assalamualaikum. So today I'm going to solve question number 3, something related to uh, surface area and volume of a 3D geometry shape. Okay, so let's see question number 3. So the question said that the diagram shows a composite solid consisting of a cylinder and a right circular cone. The curved surface area of the cylinder is 440 degree. So I have write the answer here so that we can check whether we get the right answer or not. Okay, so for question 3, by taking pi equals to 32/7, calculate the radius of the cylinder. Okay, first thing first, from the questions, it says that the surface area, the curved surface area of the cylinder. Now, for cylinder, we know that the formula to find the area of cylinder is 2 pi r squared plus 2 pi r h. So the 2 pi r h is for the curved surface area. 2 pi r square is one is for the top circle and another one is for the base of the circle. So now in this case, it only see that the curved surface area of the cylinder is 440. So we see that. So let me solve question A. The radius of the cylinder. So by taking 2 pi r h, because that is the curved surface area formula, is equals to 440 degree. Now we know that we have to use pi 22/7. So we don't have our r yet, but later we should get r. So and the height of the cylinder is 14 cm. So we have something like this. So you have to solve it at the left hand side first, and then we are going to transfer everything to the other side. So if you calculate it with your calculator, you will get 88r equals to 440 degree. 440. So if we want to left only r at the left hand side, we have to divide it with 88 as well. So same goes with the right hand side. So we should have r is equals to 5. So there you go. So that's solving question A. Now the second one, the total surface area of the solid. Now if the question asks you on how to find the total surface area of the solid, you have to make sure that you know that this solid is actually a combination of two 3D geometrical shape. One is cone and another one is cylinder. Now because it's joined together, meaning that there must be a hole here. So we are not going to calculate the surface area here for both cone and cylinder. So we see that there's no area here that connecting between the cone and the cylinder. So what we have is only B, the formula of cone, which is it's supposed to be pi r square plus pi rs, and for cylinder it should be 2 pi r square plus 2 pi rh. The only thing that we have here, because it's already combined, is the curved surface area of the cone, and then we have the curved surface area of the cylinder, and another one, the base area of cylinder. There's only 3 parts of surface area that we need to add. So we are going to pick only pi rs, and then we have 2 pi rh for the curved surface area of the cylinder, and only one of the base of the cylinder. So you should get the area, the total surface area is equals to pi rs plus 2 pi rh plus pi r square. Okay, only one base surface area of the circle. Okay, so let's calculate it all together. Now, do we have all the formula that we want? So you should get S, you know your pi, you know your R, but you don't know your S. Now I'm going to take my cone over here and I'm going to take it out. I redraw. Okay, so here's the height of the cone, so meaning that it's supposed to be here, and here is the radius. The radius is equals to 5. If I take this out, the part of the cone, I get a triangle, a right angle triangle. So 12 is the height of the triangle. 5 is the base of the triangle. But can we find the value of the longest sides in the triangle? Yes, of course, by doing the Pythagoras theorem. So to get S, so this is S, yeah? S is the slant height. To get S, it's 12 squared plus 5 squared square root. Then use your calculator to get the answer. Then S is supposed to be 13. So now we have everything here. And what we do is that we just need to put everything inside the formula. And then you'll get the answer. Okay? So 22/7 times R the radius is 5. The slant height is 13. So you make a bracket so that you make sure that you got the right answer after that. Plus 2 times 22/7 times R, same radius, with H of the cylinder is 14. Okay, so I'm going to move to the other side. Plus pi is 22/7 times the radius square is 5 square. So I'm sure if you use your calculator now, you should get 7226/7 centimeter square. Okay,